This is the 2021 70 plate Ford Transit Custom 2 litre 130 PS, also the 340 model, short wheelbase, low roof, lovely example. Just gone through the Carlton House upgrades. As you can see, you've got the upgraded grille, light blue and grey stripes. Come on, we're going to have a look inside. So immaculate interior in this one owner. You've got a lovely little handy interior light here. You've got your aircon, your heated seats, electric mirrors. Financing warranty is available on this van. It's some 79,000 miles. Won't hang around this one. If you'd like any more information, please feel free to get in touch and speak to Chris or me. Thank you.